So welcome. So this is CIE paper, May June 2008, paper 1, P1, Pure Mathematics 1. We shall try to solve all the questions. So the first question, in a triangle ABC. So let us draw the triangle. So triangle ABC, one line, then the other line, and then the other line. ABC. BAC is equal to 60 degrees, ACB is equal to 45 degrees, AB is 12. Find the exact length of BC. So let BC is equal to x. So simple, I'm going to use sine rule. 12 upon sine 45 is equal to x upon sine 60. From there, I get x is equal to 12 sine 60 divided by sine 45. This should be giving me the answer for BC should be equal to 6 root 6. That's great. Question number 2. Show that the equation 2 tan square theta cos theta equal to 3 can be written in this form. 2 tan square theta can be written as sin square theta upon cos square theta times cos theta equals 3. What can I do? 1 cos theta gets cancels. So 2 sin square theta equal to 3 cos theta. 2 sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 3 cos theta. So 2 minus 2 cos square theta equal to 3 cos theta. From there, I get the angle 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, I need to solve, I think. So solve between 0 to 360 degrees. So it's a quadratic. I solve this quadratic. So it becomes 2 cos theta minus 1 times cos theta plus 2. Am I correct? 2 cos square theta minus cos theta plus 2 cos theta. So does that becomes correct? Minus cos theta. Then it becomes 4 cos theta minus cos theta. Yes, that's correct. So cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Cos theta equal to negative 2. So this is rejected. I am left only. So alpha is equal to 60 degrees. For cos, we remember we have done many papers. General solution is 2 and pi plus or minus alpha. So theta is equal to 2 and pi plus or minus 60 degrees. Substitute n is equal to 0. You get plus 60 minus 60. N is equal to 1. 360 plus 60. 360 minus 60. So which is 420 and 300. So my final answer will be 60 is considered, negative 60 not, 420 not, 300 correct. So my final answer will be 60 degrees and 300 degrees. I don't go for n is equal to 2 because it will be obviously more than 360 degrees. Question number 3. Find the first three terms of an expansion, this one. So 5c0, 2 to the power of 5. 5c1, 2 to the power of 4, x square to the power of 1. 5c2, 2 cube, x square whole to the power of 2. Simplify, this is all just based on calculator. I am directly writing the answer. This is going to be the answer. Hence, the question is hence. Hence, find the coefficient of x power 4 in this expansion, 1 plus x square whole square. So 1 plus x square whole square times 2 plus x square whole to the power of 5. So 1 plus x square whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square times this answer. This answer is this one, so it becomes this one, 32 plus 80x square plus 80x to the power of 4 and so on. Because I want only coefficient of x power 4, I need not write the next part. So now check what are the possibilities of getting x power 4. So 1 times this one. So I write coefficient of x power 4. 1 times 80 plus, is there any possibility of getting x power 4? X squared times 2. So 2 times 80. Is there any another possibility of getting x squared? X power 4, x power 4, x power 4 times 32. So 1 times 32. So check what are the possibilities of getting x power 4. So those are the three possibilities of getting x power 4. So my final answer is 272. The equation of the curve y is equal to 2x squared minus 8x and plus 9 and the line. Find the x coordinates of the point of intersection of these two. So we have to do point of intersection. 2x squared minus 8x plus 9 should be equal to, from here if I get y value, which is 3 minus x. So it becomes 2x squared minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. So factorize this. It becomes 2x minus 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. I get x is equal to 3 upon 2, x is equal to 2. He's asking x coordinates, so both are the answers. X is equal to 1 upon 2, x is equal to 2. Write always in mixed fraction. Show that one of the points is also a stationary point. For stationary point, what should I do? Find dy by dx. So y is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 9. So find dy by dx, which becomes 4x minus 8. Stationary point, dy by dx is equal to 0. So I get x is equal to 8 upon 4, which is 2. We have proved that one of the point is also a stationary point. Question number 5. This is the diagram. He's asking find the perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter of the shaded region. So what is the perimeter of the shaded region? Let me write perimeter. 3 parts, PT and QT and one more part, QP. These are all the 3 parts. PT is already 12. QT, I have to find QT. So what I can do, I can consider triangle OPT. OP square plus PT square is equal to OT square. OP square is 5 square, PT square is 12 square is equal to OT square. So OT square is equal to 13 square, OT is equal to 13. OT is 13, so this total is 13, but the radius is 5, so the remaining part will be 8. So QT is 8. QP. QP is the arc. Arc formula is nothing but what? Just as r theta. Arc formula is r theta. So what is r? Radius is 5. Theta. Theta is this particular angle, which is tan inverse 12 by 5. Tan inverse 12 by 5. Simplify all this, so my final answer should be 25.9 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the triangle minus area of the sector. So area of a triangle formula is half times base times height. Area of the sector formula is half r square theta. Half times base is 12, height is 5. Half times radius is 5 square, theta just now we calculated, tan inverse 12 upon 5. Simplify this, directly writing the answer 15.3 square. Question number 6. Function is given, obtain an expression for f prime x and explain why f is an increasing function. F prime x means derivative. 3 times 3x plus 2 whole square times 3 minus 0. So which is 9 times 3x plus 2 whole square. We have learned that square term is always positive. Is always positive. So f prime x is always greater than or equal to 0. Why equal to 0? When x is equal to minus 3 by 2, minus 2 by 3, it will be equal to 0. So first derivative is always positive, means it is an increasing function. As simple as that. Obtain an expression for this time it is f inverse of x and state the domain. So y is equal to 3x plus 2 whole cube minus 5. So y plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 2 whole cube. 3x plus 2 is equal to cube root of y plus 5. 3x is equal to cube root of y plus 5 minus 2. Then I quickly add a page. So x is equal to cube root of y plus 5 minus 2 upon 3. So f inverse of x is equal to cube root of x plus 5 minus 2 by 3. Now domain and range. So how do I find? First of all, for f of x, what's the domain, what is the range? Has been domain in the question given, x is positive, x is greater than or equal to 0. Now what was the equation? Y is equal to 3x plus 2 whole cube minus 5. So it is minus 5 plus 3x plus 2 whole cube. So x is 0, right? If I substitute 0, so what am I going to do? The minimum value of x is 0, right? So I just substitute the minimum value of x, so it becomes minus 5 plus 2 whole cube, so which becomes 3. So its minimum value is 3, so answers will be greater than or equal to 3. So range will be greater than or equal to 3. But now I require for f inverse of x. So for f inverse of x, they get swapped. The domain will become range and range becomes domain. So what is the domain of f inverse of x? Domain of f inverse of x will be x greater than or equal to 3. So find the range of f of x. It will be the domain of f inverse of x. Question number 7. What is question number 7 is asking about? The first term of a geometric progression is 81. So a is equal to 81. Fourth term is equal to 24. Fourth term means ar to the power of 3 is equal to 24. So a is 81, r power 3 is equal to 24, r power 3 is equal to 24 upon 81. So which becomes 3 times 8, 3 times 27. So r is equal to cube root of 8 upon 27. R is equal to 2 upon 3. Find the common ratio found. Find the sum to infinity. Sum to infinity is a upon 1 minus r, which is 81 upon 1 minus 2 upon 3, which is 243. Next part of the question. The second and third terms of geometric progression are the first and fourth terms of the respectively of the arithmetic progression. So first term of geometric progression was 81. Second term is AR, which is 81 times 2 upon 3. So which becomes, second term becomes 327, 54. But what are the second and third terms? So third term is equal to AR square. Third term is equal to AR square. So A is 81, R is 2 upon 3 whole square, 9 gets cancels, 9 4s 36, third term. So but what is he telling? The second term and third term of geometric progression is first and fourth terms of the arithmetic progression, first and fourth term. So this becomes the first term and this becomes the fourth term, first and fourth term. Okay, so the first term is A. Fourth term means A plus 3D is equal to 36. So 54 plus 3D is equal to 36. 3D is equal to negative 18. So D is equal to negative 6. What is being asked? Find the sum to 10 terms, S10. N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 times D. So 10 upon 2 times 2A is, just now we got 54, N minus 1 is 9 times D is negative 6. Simplify this, 270. Next question, the functions f and g are given. Find the value of k for f of g of x is equal to x. F of g of x is 9 minus 2 upon x. 9 divided by 2 minus x should be equal to x. What is f of x? Means substitute this one in f. 4 times 9 upon 2 minus x minus 2k is equal to x. So I get 36 upon 2 minus x minus 2k is equal to x. 36 minus 4k plus 2kx divided by 2 minus x is equal to x. 36 minus 4k plus 2kx is equal to 2x minus x squared. So x squared plus 2kx minus 2x plus 36 minus 4k is equal to 0. So I got this one. What else is saying? Has two equal roots. So that's the most important thing. Has two equal roots. So my a value is 1, b value is 2k minus 2, and c value is 36 minus 4k. Two equal roots. So whenever it is two equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So 2k minus 2 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 36 minus 4k is equal to 0. So 2k minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 times 36 minus 4k. So expand it out. 4k square minus 8k plus 4 is equal to 4, 12, 144 minus 16k. So 4k square plus 8k minus 140 is equal to 0. So k square plus 2k minus 3 times 12 and 5 is equal to 0. So k minus 5 times k plus 7 is equal to 0. K is equal to 5 or k is equal to negative 7. Is he asking us the values of k? Yes, values of k. Determine the roots. Now the second part, determine the roots of f of gx is equal to x for the values of k find in part 1. So find the roots. So what is the equation? I got it first of all. So first of all, write the equation. The equation I got was x square plus 2kx minus 2x plus 36 minus 4k is equal to 0. So substitute k is equal to 5. So it becomes x square plus 10x minus 2x plus 36 minus 20 is equal to 0. X square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. So it is x plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4. Next, another value of k I got was minus 7. So k is equal to minus 7. I get x squared minus 14x minus 2x plus 36 plus 28 is equal to 0. So it becomes x squared minus 16x plus 64 is equal to 0. X minus 8 whole square is equal to 0. X is equal to 8. Those are the roots. Question number 9. The diagram shows dy by dx is equal to this one. Show that by integration the equation of the curve. So dy by dx is equal to minus k upon x cube. So integrate it out. So first bring this one kx to the power of minus 3 dx. Then apply integration on both sides. Y is equal to minus kx power minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c. But we see that on the curve there is a point 1 comma 18. 1 comma 18. I plug in 1. 18 is equal to k times divided by 2. 1 to the power of minus 2 plus c. So what I do, I move this one over here so I can do simultaneous. So 18 is equal to k upon 2 plus c. This is one equation I got. Leave it there. Now one more point. Do we have another point on the curve? Yes, 4 comma 3 is another point. So I plug in 4 comma 3. 3 is equal to k upon 2 times 4 power minus 2 plus c. So I get 3 is equal to k upon 32 plus c. This is another equation I got. Now I try to solve these two equations. Subtract 18 is equal to k upon 2 plus c. 3 is equal to k upon 32 plus c, subtract, c gets cancels, 15 is equal to k upon 2 minus k upon 32, so 15 is equal to 16, 15, 15, k upon 32, so k is equal to 32. I got k is equal to 32. Plug in the value of k is equal to 32 in any one of the equation. So 3 is equal to 32 upon 32 plus c, so c is equal to 1. So what is the equation I got there? Y is equal to k upon 2 times x to the power of minus 2. What was k value just now we got? K value is 32. 32 upon 2 times x power minus 2 plus c value is 1. C value is 2. Sorry, it's not 1. C value is 2 plus 2. So y is equal to 16 upon x square plus 2. This is going to be the answer for the equation of the curve. The point P lies on the curve and the x coordinate is 1.6. Find the area of the shaded region. So the shaded region is from 1 to 1.6. So just find the integration from 1 to 1.6. Area is equal to integration 1 to 1.6, 16 upon x square plus 2 dx. So it becomes minus 16 upon x plus 2x from 1 to 1.6. Substitute 1.6 and substitute 1. Get that answer, 7.2. Question number 10. Related to origin, OA and OB are given. So OA is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k. OB is equal to 3i minus 2j plus pk. OA and OB are perpendicular. OA and OB are perpendicular means OA dot OB should be equal to 0. So their dot product should be equal to 0. So 2 times 3 plus 1 times minus 2 plus 2 times p should be equal to 0. So it becomes 6 minus 2 plus 2p is equal to 0. 2p is equal to minus 4. P is equal to minus 2. In case p is equal to 6, use a scalar product to find the angle AOB to the nearest degree. So p is equal to 6. So first I find OA dot OB. So OA was 2i plus j plus 2k, dot OB is 3i minus 2j plus 6k. Because p is 6, it becomes 2 times 3 plus 1 times minus 2 plus 2 times 6. This becomes 6 minus 2 plus 12, which is 416. Then I find modulus of OA, which is square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is 9, 3. Modulus of OB, I find 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square, which is 49 and 7. Modulus of OA from here, modulus of OB from here. Then I want angle cos AOB is equal to OA dot OB divided by modulus OA modulus of OB. So AOB is equal to, angle AOB is equal to cos inverse OA dot OB, just now we got it as 16 divided by 3 times 7. So that is equal to 40 degrees. Is there anything else has been asked? Yes. Express AB in terms of P and hence find the values of P for which length of AB is equal to 3.5 units. AB. What do I mean by AB? OB minus OA. OB is 3i minus 2j plus pk. 3i minus 2j plus pk. 3i minus 2j plus pk minus OA 2i plus j plus 2k. 2i plus j plus 2k. So when I simplify, it becomes I minus 3j plus p minus 2k. Modulus of AB is equal to 3.5. Modulus of AB is equal to 3.5, means square root of 1 square plus 3 square plus p minus 2 whole square is equal to 3.5 square. So square root of 9, 10 plus p minus 2 whole square is square root of 3.5 whole square. Okay. So is equal to square root of 3.5 square. So what I can do is 10 plus p minus 2 whole square is equal to 3.5 square. So I get p minus 2 whole square is equal to 3.5 square. What is 3.5 square? 3.5 times 3.5, which gives me 12.25 minus 10. So p minus 2 whole square is equal to 2.25. P minus 2 is equal to square root of 2.25. P minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 1.5. P minus 2 is equal to plus 1.5. P minus 2 is equal to minus 1.5. P is equal to 3.5. P is equal to 0.5. Finally, question number 11. In the diagram, A and C lies on x-axis and y-axis. Equation of AC is equal to is being given. The coordinates B are 2, 2. Perpendicular from B to AC meets AC at x. Find the coordinates of x. So first of all, slope of the line AC. Slope of line AC you have to find. Equation is 2y is equal to minus x plus 16. Y is equal to minus x upon 2 plus 16. So the slope is minus 1 upon 2. But we are talking about a perpendicular line. So slope of bx, which is perpendicular line, will be positive 2. Then equation of bx will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So which is y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. Y is equal to 2x minus 2. This is the equation of bx. AC and bx intersect. So AC's equation is x plus 2y is equal to 16. X plus 2y is equal to 16, which is the equation of AC. Then 2x minus y is equal to 2, which is the equation of bx. So I need to simplify these both or solve this both. So multiply this equation with 1 and this equation with 2. So it becomes x plus 2y is equal to 16. 4x minus 2y is equal to 4. So 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to 4. Once I get x is equal to 4, plug in x is equal to 4. 8 minus y is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. So the point is 4, 6. That is the answer for x wherever they intersect. X, we got it. Now D is a point such that the quadrilateral ABCD has AC as a line of symmetry. So he says that AC is a line of symmetry. Find the coordinates of D. D is a point is such that the quadrilateral ABCD, AC is a line of symmetry. So what am I going to do? I am going to draw it out in the same way. AC. Approximately like this. So go much more deeper. Okay, so I draw like this. So D is a point. AC is a line of symmetry. Then so we can see that X is going to be the, in that case, X is going to be the midpoint of BD. If at all I draw like this, X is the midpoint of BD. So I have B 2, 2. I have X, which is 4, 6. I have D, X, Y. So midpoint. 2 plus x upon 2, 2 plus y upon 2 should be equal to 4, 6. Then equate 2 plus x upon 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus x is equal to 8, x is equal to 6. Similarly, 2 plus y upon 2 is equal to 6, 2 plus y equal to 12, y is equal to 10. So the point D is 6, 10. Next part. Find the correct one place decimal, the perimeter of ABCD. So first find ABCD. So it looks like this. I draw ABCD. It looks almost all like this. Okay, let me give that one. ABCD. So what is A? ABCD. ABCD. D we got 6, 10. C we got we haven't got. B we got 2, 2. So I need to get A and C. So how should I get A and C? A is on x-axis. 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 So y is equal to 0. Substitute in that equation y equal to 0. So x is equal to 16. So A will be 16, 0. So A is 16, 0. Go back and update the diagram. A is 16, 0. I need to get C also. Where is C? C is on y-axis. Y-axis means x is 0. So 2y is equal to 16, y is equal to 8, 0, 8. So C is 0, 8. Now find out the distance. So AB, square root of 16 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, which is square root of 200. Then find BC, square root of 2 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 8 whole square, which is square root of 40. Because it is symmetrical, we can find CD distance, or also the same thing. It will be double, so no need to find those distances. It will be twice of AB plus twice of BC, which will be 2 square root of 200 plus 2 square root of 40. So finally simplify, it becomes 40.9. That's going to be the answer for question number 11. That completes the paper. That completes, which paper was that? May, June 2008 P1 paper. See you in the next paper.